I hope all are good. Today let me start. GK Unit 2, The World of Science, Chapter number 7, Coronavirus. Read and learn the following question answers. So this chapter only for reading. Question number 1. What is the official name of the disease caused by the novel coronavirus? The official name of the disease caused by the novel coronavirus is coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 for short. How is the virus that caused COVID-19 officially designated? Answer. The virus that caused COVID-19 is officially designated as subacute respiratory syndrome coronavirus or SARS-CoV-2 for short. Question number 3. What is the taxonomic classification of the virus that caused COVID-19? SARS-CoV-2 is a member of the family coronavirus, subfamily Orthocoronavirinae, genus Beta coronavirus. What are the common symptoms of COVID-19? Common symptoms of COVID-19 include fever, cough, shortness of breath, loss of taste and smell, and body ache. How is the virus that causes COVID-19 transmitted? So the virus that causes COVID-19 is primarily transmitted through respiratory drop when an infected person cough or sneeze. It can also be transmitted by touching a surface or object contaminated with the virus and then touching one's face. Question number 6. How does the virus that causes COVID-19 differ from other coronaviruses? SARS-CoV-2 is a novel coronavirus, meaning it has not been previously identified in human, is the most closely related to bat coronavirus but has several genetic mutations that distinguish it from other coronavirus. What is the official disease code for COVID-19 according to the International Classification of Disease ICD? So the answer is the official disease code for COVID-19 according to the International Classification of Disease ICD is WHO7.1. What is the genetic material of SARS-CoV-2? The genetic material of SARS-CoV-2 is RNA, यानी कि ribonucleic acid. Number 9. How does SARS-CoV-2 enter host cell? SARS-CoV-2 enters host cell by binding to the AC2 respirator on the surface of the cell and then using the spike protein to fuse with the cell membranes. What are the structural protein of SARS-CoV-2? So the structural proteins of SARS-CoV-2 include the spike protein, envelope protein, membrane protein, and nucleus, capsid, and protein. How does SARS-CoV-2 replicated within host cells? So once inside the host cell, SARS-CoV-2 uses the host cell machinery to replicate its genetic material and produce new viral particles. What is the functions of the spike protein in SARS-CoV-2? The spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 binds to the ACE2 respirator in host cell, allowing the virus to enter and infect the cell. How does the human immune system respond to SARS-CoV-2? The human immune system responds to SARS-CoV-2 by producing antibodies and activating T cells to target and neutralize the virus. Number 14. What are the genetic variations of SARS-CoV-2? SARS-CoV-2 has several genetic variations that have emerged, including the alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and omicron variants. Question number 15. How does the genetic variation of SARS-CoV-2 can affect the severity of the diseases, the efficacy of vaccines, and the ability of the virus to evade the immune system? 16. How does SARS-CoV-2 evade the host immunity? So the SARS-CoV-2 can evade the host immunity by mutating its spike protein, which allows it to bind to the ACE2 reporter more efficiently and avoid recognition by antibodies. How does the genetic variation of SARS-CoV-2 affect the diagnostic test? So the genetic variation of SARS-CoV-2 may affect the diagnostic test by making them less sensitive or specific. This is why diagnostic test needed to be updated frequently to account for the genetic variations. Question number 18. What are SARS-CoV-2 variants? SARS-CoV-2 variants are different genetic from the virus that causes COVID-19. They can have changes in their spike protein and other genetic rigor that can affect the virus transmissibility, virulency, and vaccine efficiency. How do SARS-CoV-2 variants emerge? SARS-CoV-2 variants emerge as a result of genetic mutation that occurs as the virus replicates in human hosts. These mutations can accumulate over time, leading to the emergence of distinct genetic forms of the virus. How do scientists identify SARS-CoV-2 variants? So scientists identify SARS-CoV-2 variants by sequencing the viral genome of the samples and then comparing the genetic sequences to those of known variants. Question number 21. What are some examples of SARS-CoV-2 variants? So the some example of SARS-CoV-2 variants include alpha, beta, gamma, delta and Omicron variants. How does the alpha variants of SARS-CoV-2 differ from the original strain? So the alpha variants of SARS-CoV-2, also known as B1.7, as a mutation in the spike protein that allows it to bind to the ACE2 reporter more efficiently and increase its transmissibility. So these are the fact and about detail of coronavirus. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. International System of Units. A unit is a definite magnitude of a physical quantity defined and adopted by convention or by law. So that is used as standard for measurement to the same physical quantity. Write the correct letters in the boxes to match each of these units with what they are used to measure. Now question number 1. Ampere. Electric current. Candela. Intensity of light. Light year. Distance traveled by light. Newton. Number 4. Force. Joule energy. A. And number 6 is ton. Weight. Ohm. Resistance. Volt. Voltage. Watt. Power. Radian. Number 10. F. Plane angles. Okay, so these are the matching have done. So the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. Amazing fact about the human body. The human body is an incredibly complex and intricate system, and it still baffles researchers regularly despite thousands of years of medical knowledge. As a result, it shouldn't be a surprise that even body parts we deal with every day have unexpected facts and explanations behind them. So here are some wacky facts about the human body. Number 1. The higher your IQ, the more you dream. The nail on the middle finger grows faster than the other fingernails. Fingernails grow nearly 4 times faster than toenails. The lifespan of a human hair is 3 to 7 years on average. Women's hearts beat faster than men's. Your eyes remain the same size after birth, but your nose and ears never stop growing. We are about 1 centimeter taller in the morning than in the evening. Question number 8. The colder the room you sleep, the higher the chances are that you would get a nightmare. The only part of your body that has no blood supply is the cornea, is the eye. It gets its oxygen directly from air. Everybody has one strong eye and one weak eye. The strongest muscle in the body is the human tongue. The hardest bone in the human body is the jawbone. It takes the body around 12 hours to completely digest eaten. Your sense of smell is around 1000 sorry, 10,000 times more sensitive than your sense of taste. Antibiotics are only effective against bacteria. They won't help in fighting of a virus. Quiz time. Blood contains red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. Number 2. The dash through the bile used to break down dietary fat, gallbladder. Hair is made mostly of a protein called keratin. The study of the human heart and its various disorders is known as cardiology. The nervous system can dash signal to activate muscles or glands. The 5 main sense organs are your eyes, ears, nose and dash and dash. It is 5 main sense organs are your eyes, ears, nose, sense organ, tongue and skin. And are this one skin. The longest bone in the human body is the thigh bone called the femur. Number 8. Human tongue is divided into 2 parts, the anterior and posterior. Dash can damage the teeth if left untreated. Cavities. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 10. Amusing gadgets. When you go to the supermarket, do you often forget to purchase certain items and remember them only when you are back home? So the Smart Shopper automated grocery list printer can be of great help in such a situation. It is a device that is voice activated. When you talk into the handset, it compiles a textual list ready for printing. You can stick the list with a magnet on your fridge. Okay, so the list is stored by types of item that one would need to buy to avoid wasting time browsing and comes pre-programmed with 2,500 items. So with the option to add your own, ink refills are not required in this machine. There is no better alarm system than an angry protective dog barking ferociously, but not all of us are able to keep a dog that would guard our houses. So a barking protection system has been invented called an alarm security bar. So which can add instant protection to any home. It turns on whenever the door knob is touched or the door is pushed and sets off under the slightest of pressure. So the alarm can either be set to a powerful siren or to the alternative barking alarm sound. Next one. If an alarm clock cannot help you wake up on time because you always end up hitting the snooze button, you need the flying alarm clock. Okay, so the idea is simple. When the alarm is triggered, part of the alarm will fly with the help of a propeller and land at some random location in your room. So only when the piece is placed back on the stationary alarm piece will the alarm cease. By then, you will be forced out of your bed. So if you hate being outdoors in hot summers, here is an invention for you. The IntelliCool is said to be the first ever outdoor air conditioning unit that uses a special water evaporation technology. The fans attach it with cool to air in nearby surroundings. It also provides bright light for the hot sunny day. The LED umbrella comes equipped with a built-in LED light which illuminates in the dark. At the touch of a button, the light embedded inside the handle shines to light in the area under the umbrella hood. So for those of you who feel uncomfortable about taking a long walk home in the dark, this LED umbrella is sure to make them walk a little bit brighter. Now it's the quiz time. Question number 1. Who invented the Nevering birth control? Merck and Company. Merck and Company. Name the invention by Dr. Engelbart in the 1960s, which he called XY indicator. It is computer mouse. What is the name of the manufacturing company that makes Abiocore artificial hearts? Abiomed. In 2004, which company invented the thinking shoe with a built-in microprocessor that decides whether the wearer needs soft or firm support? So, Adidas. For whom was the global positioning system GPS developed in 1970s? US Air Force. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 11. Study of robots. Robotics is the branch of mechanical engineering, electrical engineering and computer science that deals with the design, construction, operation and application of robots. So you must have seen robots doing amazing things in movie and on television or have read about them in books. But what is robot? A robot can be defined as a machine that looks like a human being and perform various complex acts like a human being. So the famous sci-fi writer Isaac Asimov was one of the first people to come up with the idea of a fictional friendly robot governed by 3 laws. That he invented in his story Run Around according to this law. A robot may not injure a human being or through inaction allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey orders given by human beings except where such as orders would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Name the famous writers or filmmakers who created these robots. Number 1, R2-D2, George Lucas. Sony, Isaac Asimov. The Sentinels, the Wachowski bro. Brother. Next one, 4 is Chitti. S. Shankar. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 12. Study of genes. A gene is a molecular unit of heredity of a living organism. Okay, so do you and your mother have the same eye color? Is your hair as curly as your father's? The similarity may be explained by genetics. So genetics is the study of heredity or how certain features pass from parents to their young ones. So write T for the sentences which are true and F for those which are false. So let me start. Question number 1. Austrian botanist Gregor Mendel studied garden pea plant to establish his laws of inheritance. It is true. The cell is the smallest self-contained living unit. True. In genetics, cloning is a process of creating an organism that is an exact replica of another. Yes, it is true. Humans usually have 48 chromosomes. No, it is false. All genes of a person are equally dominant. No, false. Genes exist in our cells. Yes, true. DNA stored in the cell nucleus. It structures like a twisted ladder with our different types of rings. The rings make up a 4-letter alphabet that spells out your genes like letters in a book. So genetic glossary: base, a building block of DNA. Gene mapping, locating the position of genes in a chromosome. Mutation and inheritable change resulting from an alternation in DNA. Fill in the blanks, choose your answer from the help box. Number 1. Dash are unique to each person, even identical twins. So the answer is fingerprints. Dolly was the first cloned sheep. DNA, one of the largest known molecules, consists of 2 long thin strands that are wound around each other to form a spiral. This special structure is called a double helix. Double helix. A chromosome is a molecule that controls heredity. In the nucleus of each cell, the DNA molecule is packaged into thread-like structures called chromosomes. Unless you have a dash twin, your DNA is unique, identical. Dash is stored in the cell nucleus. Number 7, sorry. It is DNA. Number 8, blood is a liquid tissue. Number 9, tissues. So everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. History of computers. The computer as we know it today had its beginning with the 19th century English. Okay, so mathematics professor named Charles Babbage. He designed the analytical engine, and it was this design that the basic framework of the computers of today are based on. So try this quiz to brush up your knowledge of the world of computers. Choose the correct answer. So question number 1. Which American computer company is called Big Blue? Compaq, IBM. When was the first mini computer built? 1965. Which was the most popular first generation computer? IBM was 1650. When did IBM introduce the 80286 based PC-80? So answer number 4 is B, 1984. Who is credited with the idea of using punch card to control patterns in a weaving machine? Joseph Marie Jacquard. Who invented the microprocessor? Answer number 6. American Ehoff. When was the world's first laptop introduced in market and by which company? Epson, 1981. Which was the world's first mini computer? PDP-1. First digital computer built with IC chips was known as IBM System 360. Number 10. In which year did Motorola come out with its enhanced 68030 processor? 1986. In which year was the first computer mouse invented? Question number 11. Option is B, 1963. What was the memory storage capacity of the first hard drive? So it is B, 5 MB. Which two numbers together form the binary language used in computers? Answer number 13 is C, 0 and 1. What is the name of India's first indigenously designed supercomputer? Param. MPG extension refers usually to what kind of file? A, B or C? In answer number B, animation movie file. What do the letters MM stand for in the abbreviation MMS? So the answer is B, multimedia messaging. So everyone, the chapter number 13 is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 14. Nuclear energy is the use of exothermic nuclear processes to generate useful heat, electricity or other radiation. Answer this question with the help of help box. So the number of protons in a nucleus is the same as the number of electrons. Surrounding it, thus making the atom electrically neutral. In 1905, Albert Einstein published his theory of relativity from from which he derived the famous equation E is equal to mc squared 2. Question number 3. The atom bomb is based on which nuclear principle? Nuclear fission. Electrons are not the smallest particle present in atoms. Electrons are always made of smaller particles called, it is quarks. At the center of each atom is a tiny core called a dash, which is surrounded by a cloud of electrons or electrically charged particles that move in the outer rings of the atom. So these are the CLEUS. The mass of a nucleus is slightly less than the sum of its constituent neutron and proton masses. This so-called mass defect is also known as the binding energy. So everyone, chapter number 14 is completed here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 15. Diseases. A disease is a particular abnormal pathological condition that affects part of all of an organism. Although medical science has made great progress in eradicating diseases, many ailments remain unconquered. Nevertheless, research is underway against these and other baffling diseases in the hope that someday they will be wiped out or at least be manageable. So choose the correct answer to these questions about diseases. These diseases is caused by a bacterium that lives in water. It is common in water with lots. So this disease is cholera. Influenza is a serious infection of the upper or lower respiratory tract. Common symptoms of influenza include fever, chills, weakness and pain in the muscles along with occasional soreness and in the throat and abdomen. What causes influenza? So it is virus. Insulin helps to move sugar from the blood into the cells where it can be used to get energy. A lack of insulin or an inability of the body to utilize insulin that is produced by the body may cause diabetes. Diabetes affect the kidneys. This disease is an eating disorder affecting persons who think that they are overweight and tend to eat less and less, continuing to lose weight until they are malnourished. So the answer is C, anorexia. Alzheimer's disease leads to severe memory loss and gradual loss of the mental faculties. It is a major cause of dementia, which generally occurs in old age. It is an incurable degenerative disease of the brain. It is an infectious disease nowadays termed as Hansen's disease. It is a mildly infectious disease and is prevalent in areas where there are high level of poverty. So the answer is leprosy. This disease called acquired immunodeficiency syndrome or AIDS is a complicated illness that damages the human body's immune system or the system responsible for fighting diseases and makes the victim vulnerable to various infections. So the virus that causes AIDS is called HIV. This condition, contrary to popular belief, is caused from exposure to infect people and not from a cold environment, chill with wet feet or drought. So people can carry the virus and communicate it without experiencing any of the symptoms themselves. So symptoms may include sneezing, headache, fatigue, chills, sore and nasal discharge, etc., which is usually the first warning of the condition. The usual duration of the illness is about 5 to 7 days. Which illness is this? So it is common cold. How do we commonly know the disease is infantile paralysis, which is an infectious viral disease that usually causes mild illness, but when the virus attacks the central nervous system, it may lead to extensive and permanent muscle paralysis, usually in the legs and lower toes. Polio. So students, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 16. Humans cause disasters. For centuries, many acts by human beings have been the cause of great tragedies. Read about some of the deadliest disasters caused by humans. Terrorism has been a leading cause of disaster in the past few decades, affecting lives worldwide. One of the ugliest instances of terrorism was the aircraft attack on the World Trade Center. Okay, so New York City and on the Pentagon on 11 September 2001, causing more than 3,000 deaths. In another instance of terrorism, over 100 people died and more than 300 were injured in the terrorist maim in Mumbai on 26 November 2008. Other than the loss of lives in the resulting agony, terrorism also affects the world financial markets and economies, the relationship between countries and society. The unequal distribution of wealth among people and risky buying and selling of shares in the stock market led to financial disaster called the Great Depression, which lasted for a decade. So it was a severe depression experienced by the industrialized Western world. Although it originated in the United States, the Great Depression led to severe unemployment worldwide and affected to the economies of almost every country. So in 2008, the world economy faced another major financial crisis that began in the US sector of investment, banking and mortgage loans, and then spread to financial markets overseas, causing a deep recession on worldwide. So on 26 April 1986, a nuclear power station of Chernobyl, then a part of USSR, exploded when a poorly designed experiment was conducted. A large amount of radioactive material was released into the atmosphere, causing numerous deaths. So many persons contracted serious radiation sickness. So the gas was spread by the wind over parts of USSR and reached as far west as France and Italy. So millions of acres of forest and farmland were contaminated in the subsequent years. Much livestock were born deformed, and several thousands of radiation included induced illness and cancer deaths occurred. So the release of toxic gas from the pesticides plant in Bhopal, India in 1984 is another industrial accident, and estimated 10,000 died within 72 hours and 25,000 since then. So our family is in extreme and long-term shortage of food. It can affect an entire country, as it did in Somalia in the early 1990s, or it may be regional as in parts of the Ethiopia during the 1986 and 80s, in Germany just after World War II. So some areas were devastated by the war and experienced a regional famine. So now it's time to quiz time. Now it's to quiz time. Question number 1. Towards the end of World War I, an epidemic spread across the world, claiming 20.5 million lives. So name it. It is Spanish influ. Spanish influ. Now, in 1964, due to an unfavorable ruling by the referee, the deadliest soccer riot in history occurred in which country? Enza. After a dam burst, question number 1 answer is Spain. Towards the end of World War I, an epidemic spread across the world, claiming 21.5 million lives. Name it. It is Spanish influenza. Spanish influenza. Number 2, in 1964, due to an unfavorable ruling by the referee, the deadliest soccer riot in history occurred in which country? Peru. After a dam burst, which river in India changed its course, caused severe flooding in August 2008, River Kosi. So everyone, all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapter and enjoyed a lot. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you.